Hey guys, welcome here, Butterrazer MC here, and I'm just gonna be telling you guys sorry about the lack of uploading. I've been busy for my school, and I was gonna make one on Friday and Saturday and today, but I am doing it today, of course, right now you guys are watching it. And, because of, school and my hard work, I'm trying to get in good classes next year for high school. So, yeah, I'm sorry about the lack of uploading. I hope you guys understand, just to make sure and make it clear with you guys. So, thank you guys for understanding. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, we are? Oh. And,